Hello there. This is Ricky, and here I'm going to tell you the top 15 Git interview questions and answers usually asked in interviews. Here we go. Part 1. 1. What is Git? Git is a distributed version control system and source code management (SCM) system with an emphasis to handle small and large projects with speed and efficiency. 2. What is the command you can use to write a commit message? The command that is used to write a commit message is git committer. The command line instructs Git to commit the new content of all tracked files that have been modified. You can use git add before git committer if new files need to be committed for the first time. 3. What is the difference between Git and SVN? The difference between Git and SVN is: A. Git is less preferred for handling extremely large files or frequently changing binary files, while SVN can handle multiple projects stored in the same repository. B. Git does not support commits across multiple branches or tags. Subversion allows the creation of folders at any location in the repository layout. C. Gits are unchangeable, while Subversion allows committers to treat a tag as a branch and to create multiple revisions under a tag root. 4. What is a repository in Git? A repository contains a directory named Git, where Git keeps all of its metadata for the repository. The content of the Git directory is private to Git. 5. What are the advantages of using Git? A. Data redundancy in replication. B. High availability. C. Only one. Its directory per repository. D. Superior disk utilization and network performance. A. Collaboration friendly. F. Any sort of projects can use Git. 6. What is the function of git push in Git? Git push updates remote refs along with associated objects. 7. What language is used in Git? Git is fast, and C. Language makes this possible by reducing the overhead of runtimes associated with higher languages. 8. Why Git better than Subversion? Git is an open source version control system. It will allow you to run versions of a project which show the changes that were made to the code over time. Also, it allows you to keep the backtrack if necessary and undo those changes. Multiple developers can check out and upload changes, and each change can then be attributed to a specific developer. 9. What is staging area or index in Git? Before completing the commits, it can be formatted and reviewed in an intermediate area known as staging area or index. 10. What is Git stash? Git stash takes the current state of the working directory and index and puts it on the stack for later and gives you back a clean working directory. So, in case if you are in the middle of something and need to jump over to the other job, and at the same time you don't want to lose your current edits, then you can use Git stash. 11. What is Git stash drop? When you are done with the stashed item or want to remove it from the list, run the git stash drop command. It will remove the last added stash item by default, and it can also remove a specific item if you include as an argument. 12. How will you know in Git if a branch has been already merged into master? Git branch merged lists the branches that have been merged into the current branch. Git branch no merged lists the branches that have not been merged. 13. What is the function of git clone? The git clone command creates a copy of an existing Git repository. To get the copy of a central repository, cloning is the most common way used by programmers. 14. What is the function of git config? The git config command is a convenient way to set configuration options for your Git installation. Behavior of a repository, user info, preferences, etc. can be defined through this command. 15. How can you bring a new feature in the main branch? To bring a new feature in the main branch, you can use a command, git merge or git pull command.